Ever wonder what that cash out button on your Coinbase wallet actually does? Imagine you've been on a wild ride with cryptocurrency. You bought some Bitcoin early on, watched it soar, then maybe dabbled in some DeFi or NFTs. Now, you're ready to take some profits and put them towards that real-world dream, whether it's a new phone, a vacation, or that down payment on a house. But how do you get that crypto out of Coinbase and into your bank account where you can actually spend it? Fear not, crypto adventurer. Cashing out your Coinbase wallet and transferring funds to your bank account is a surprisingly simple process. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps, from navigating the Coinbase interface to understanding processing times and fees. Before we dive in, a quick heads up, cryptocurrency is a volatile market. The value of your holdings can fluctuate wildly. This video is for informational purposes only and shouldn't be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Alright, with that disclaimer out of the way, let's get cashing out. There are two main ways to approach this. You can either sell your cryptocurrency for cash and then transfer it to your bank account, or you can directly transfer any existing cash balance you have in your Coinbase wallet. We'll cover both methods, but first things first, you'll need to be logged into your Coinbase account. Whether you're using the website or the mobile app, the process is pretty much the same. Method 1. Selling crypto for cash and transferring to bank account. This is the method you'll use if you want to convert your cryptocurrency holdings, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, into regular cash before transferring it to your bank. Find your assets, navigate to your Coinbase wallet. You should see a list of your various cryptocurrency holdings. Choose your crypto, tap or click on the specific cryptocurrency you want to sell. This will take you to a detailed view of that particular holding. Sell time. Look for the sell button. Tapping or clicking this will bring up a new window where you can specify how much crypto you want to convert to cash. How much cash? You have two options here. You can either enter a specific amount of cash you want to receive, or you can choose a percentage of your total holdings to sell. Destination bank account. Here's where you tell Coinbase where you want to send the money. Make sure the bank account you select is the one linked to your Coinbase account. Review and confirm. Double-check everything looks good, the amount you're selling, the exchange rate, and the destination bank account. Once you're happy, confirm the transaction. Method 2. Transferring existing cash balance to bank account. This method is for any cash you already have sitting in your Coinbase wallet, maybe from previous sales or deposits. Locate your cash balance. Look for the cash section in your Coinbase wallet. This will display your current balance in your local currency. Initiate transfer. Click or tap on the cash out button. This will open a window for initiating a transfer to your bank account. Specify amount. Enter the amount of cash you want to transfer from your Coinbase wallet to your bank account. Destination bank account. Again, select the bank account you want to receive the funds in. Review and cash out. Double-check the details and confirm the transfer. Processing times and fees. The time it takes for your money to hit your bank account will depend on the chosen transfer method. Typically, an ACH transfer can take 1 to 3 business days, while a wire transfer might be faster but will likely come with a higher fee. Coinbase also charges fees for selling cryptocurrency and transferring funds to your bank account. These fees can vary depending on the amount you're transferring and the chosen method. Always be sure to review the fees before confirming your transaction. And that's it. With a few clicks or taps, you've successfully transferred funds from your Coinbase wallet to your bank account. Now you can use that cash for whatever your heart desires, that dream vacation, a new gadget, or maybe even that down payment on a house. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving. Stay informed, make smart investment decisions, and don't be afraid to leverage tools like Coinbase to manage your crypto holdings and convert them to cash whenever needed.